How to lock your Instagram profile picture. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and now you will be led to your profile. Here, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for account privacy. Tap on that and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the option for profile picture expansion. Simply go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for profile picture expansion, and with this, no one will be able to tap on your profile picture and expand your profile picture from there. So, this was about how you can lock your Instagram profile picture. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.